Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare chicken feet. So guys can see the chicken feet here. So guys can see the chicken feet. First of all, I'll now put it in the pot and season it and boil it. So when I'll prepare it, I'll show you all how I prepare it. So I'll now put it in the pot now. Already wash it. Now put the pot. Now put pepper. Now putting pepper. Now put Maggi season. Now putting Maggi season. Now pour onion. Now putting onion. Now add water. Now add water. Putting water now. Put it in the fire. So after put it in the fire, you cover it. You leave it like 20 minutes to done. So if you done, I'll show you how I prepare pepper chicken feet. That is the name, pepper chicken feet. So I'll leave it for 20 minutes to done. Let's check the feet. Can see? Wow, it's done. So I'll now off the light and pack it. After packing it, I'll fry it. After I fry it, I'll make the pepper sauce and put it. So I will show you when I'll do the pepper sauce. So guys can see, I'm frying it. After frying it now, I'll put it in the sauce, the pepper sauce. So I'm frying the chicken feet, and now make the sauce. Put the pan on the fire, add vegetable oil, allow the oil to hot before putting onion. So now put onion. You put onion, allow onion to fry now before putting pepper. Now put the pepper. Now put the Maggi season, excuse me. Now putting Maggi season. Now put garlic. Mix them together. Then you allow it to fry. So guys can see the pepper sauce. And see, now pour the chicken feet. Mix them together. So mix them together. So guys can see how it is. After you mix it, you allow it so that the pepper will enter inside the chicken feet. So that when you are eating it, you feel the pepper and you are enjoying it. So I'll allow it like 2 minutes. Let the pepper enter inside very well. So guys can see, I now add little soya sauce. Start putting soya sauce. Mix it together again. Wow, can see how it be. In Nigeria, all those men that drink beer or hot drink, when you prepare it like this, you are eating it with beer or hot drink, you are enjoying it very well. So let me dish it with a plate and show you very well. So it's done now, already off the light. So I'll now dish it in the plate. Wow. So guys can see the pepper chicken feet. Can see the way I prepare it. Can see how it be very yummy. So when you prepare it like this, allow it to go and sit, eat your thing. In Nigeria, we like eating chicken feet. When you prepare it very well, the way I prepare it like this. If you eat it, you enjoy it. So we didn't throw the chicken feet because we use it. So it's a very simple now, just to boil it, clean it very well and boil it, then fry it and pepper it. That is all. So it's a very simple menu. So that is all for chicken feet, pepper chicken feet. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to your loved one. If you subscribe to my channel, you see all my video and it will help you also, because my video carry cooking and all those things that will help your family, help your sister, your wife, your girlfriend, and any other person in your family. If you are watching my video, you see everything. So as I prepare, even the aroma of the chicken feet, the aroma itself is very, very sweet. So I can't wait to sit and eat it. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.